We are at 232 Marlborough Street on the top floor. This is a walk-up to apartment number 10. This is the entrance. It's one bed, one bath. It's facing the back of the building, so it's facing the alley between Com Ave and Marlborough Street, but it's on the sunny side, so you get really great views and natural light. So to the right is the bathroom and closet as you walk in, so there's a nice storage area right here. This is the front door that we came in through. And here's the bathroom. It's a tub with a shower. Here's the shower. There's a little nook, great for a coat rack or shoe rack. And this is the living room. So you have hardwood floors throughout, exposed brick. It's an older kitchen, but you have a dishwasher right here. And good counter space. Some cabinets right up there. And the views are amazing from here. You can see the Pru, and being on the top floor, you have unobstructed natural light. It gets really bright and sunny. You can't really tell today because of the weather, but it's a very bright and sunny apartment. And there's lots of room to set this up with a couch or an office like these tenants did. And then here's the bedroom. And it's very spacious. You can see how much room there is. You can easily fit a queen size bed. You can probably even fit a king, like king will fit no problem here. Then you have shutters. It's the same thing. Great views here. The tenants keep it a little dark here in the bedroom, but if you open there we go. There's a little more natural light. And all of that is storage, so it's excellent, excellent storage. There's a closet here. And you have additional, it's like this closet goes all across this wall of the bedroom, plus overhead cabinets right there. And then, so one more look at the living room, the bedroom. Even on a rainy day, you get a lot of natural light. You can see that after I open those curtains, it's a lot brighter, even on an overcast day. And now we'll go take a look at the common areas and the laundry downstairs. So here's the staircase. It's fairly open, so delivering furniture shouldn't be too bad. Especially if you have movers, they should be able to maneuver pieces of furniture without issues. And it's 2 units per floor. So it's 3 flights of stairs to go up to the top floor. This is the front door to the building. We're already on the lobby level. And there's one more flight down to the laundry. So here it is, one washer and one dryer. Pretty standard. That's the back entrance or exit. And finally, we'll just see the outside of the building. This is Marlborough Street. That intersection is Exeter and Marlborough. So it's a great location, very central. And here's the front door, front entrance to 232 Marlborough Street.